I think AI will never effectively replace the teacher. We have a whakatoki, a proverb in New Zealand, which says, he aha o te nui o te au, he tangata, he tangata, he tangata. And what that means is, what is the most important thing in the world? It is people, it is people, it is people. And I believe that education at its core is about relationships. Relationships between teacher and the student, collaborative relationships between students, and most importantly, the reciprocal learning relationship between students and their teachers. And I think that AI will never be able to replace that human connection, which enables the very human experience of learning in a social setting. AI might be able to deliver content, but I don't think it will ever help to establish relationships. And so that's why it will never replace effectively the teacher.